Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get reliable hosting for your own e-commerce platform with Hostinger. And it's a super powerful hosting platform. I'm going to show you all about it. Right now is the absolute best time to sign up. We got a crazy Black Friday promotion going for up to 85% off. You see, you can get their super popular business hosting set up for $2.75 a month plus 3 months free. It's an incredible Black Friday deal. And you get even more. You'll get an additional 10% discount on top of that when you use my coupon code JustinCener10. You see it directly below this video. This is working for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, November 10th through December 8th. The discount may vary depending on when you're watching this video. It is by far the most reliable web hosting out there, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it the right way. And Hostinger is a web hosting and website builder solution that is perfect for e-com entrepreneurs. It's the absolute perfect choice for hosting your own e-commerce platform. Maybe you're implementing something like WooCommerce through WordPress, right? This is the ideal setup for it. And if you're looking for reliable hosting, something that you could actually trust to run your business on, then you need Hostinger, and you need to be using their hosting and website builder for your entire business. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you more about it. There are some pain points when you want to work with your own hosting provider. Some hosting providers make things just way too technical and not easy to use. And e-com entrepreneurs falsely believe that they need to have technical experience or development experience to use hosting, and that's simply not the case. Another thing you run into is that most hosting providers don't make it easy to get up and running ASAP. And we know as e-com store owners and entrepreneurs, we need to have as few roadblocks as possible. And that's why you use Hostinger. It's because you have that simplified setup, the drag and drop website builder with all those AI assisted tools that make it super easy to get in there, even if you don't have any development skills at all. You can host your website, your store, your app, and you're going to have full control inside of the dashboard, and I'll show you that as we go over the shoulder. There are features like AI Website Builder, Quick Start WordPress, all these different tools to get you up and running ASAP, because again, we know we need as few roadblocks as possible. And again, that's why you're going to use Hostinger, and that's why I use them. That's why we have this video going right now, and you're going to see as we go over the shoulder, I'll go into the H panel, your little dashboard where you'll be able to control everything and get your website built, get your domains, literally everything in one powerful dashboard. And this is Hostinger.com. You see the link directly below this video. Again, perfect time to jump in for that Black Friday offer. And you see my coupon code below this video. Massive reviews on Trustpilot. I mean, one of the most trusted platforms out there. And when it comes to hosting your e-commerce store or your personal brand, you can't go wrong with signing up here. Let's say you're a student who runs an e-com site and you want to implement a custom feature that Shopify doesn't have. You want to build your own platform. Hostinger can handle that. Maybe you're a student creating a personal brand. You can quickly launch, let's say, a WordPress portfolio site directly on Hostinger. Maybe you're a coach or a small business and you want to start to build landing pages and collect leads and implement all these different WordPress plugins, right? You could do that on Hostinger. It's really the one-stop shop when it comes to needing to host your website. Once you sign up, you'll be brought in to your H panel. This is like your dashboard where you're able to do everything that has to do with your website and hosting it. For example, coming over here and you can get right into the website builder. Super powerful, and literally when you get onboarded, they're just going to basically ask you some questions. Who's this website for? Right? Go over here, and do you want to create a website or do you want to bring one over? Super easy, right? We could do the Hostinger website builder. You could even do WordPress right from the start. And you go over here and just simply select your domain name. You get two free domains as well when you sign up. You could also use a temporary domain if you just want to kind of test things out and get used to how things are looking inside of your panel. And then it brings you right into the AI builder, and this is so powerful, right? I mean, years ago, this would have cost you thousands upon thousands of dollars. Now I'm going to create a brand. I'm going to call it Good Pets, and it's going to be Good Pets is a e-commerce brand that specializes in offering products for cat and dog lovers and donates some of the profit to charity. So literally build your ideal brand over here. and you see add suggestion, add online store to my site. So the functionality is going to be there in terms of actual e-commerce and things like that, adding products. So AI does it all for you. It's literally building this site in the background. It's going to find the pictures. It's going to create the text. It's going to get the right color scheme. It's going to have different font styles that look good. And you're not going to have to lift a finger. As you see literally right here, our site is built. Love Your Pets More. Here's our name that I gave it. Right here's the shop. You can even see collections over here, different categories. You see different areas for me to have different categories set up and collections and featured products and sample products over here ready to go. Footer with our social media icons, and you can even create it again if you don't like the look of this. I happen to actually really like how this looks, and we can now mess around with our color scheme. You see things changing live as I'm clicking, right? Seeing different color buttons, seeing different backgrounds, seeing different headers. It's as simple as just kind of clicking around and saying, you know what, I like this one with a nice strong blue. I'm going to go ahead and continue to set up my store here. It's that smart. The AI understands and builds the correct type of store based on the business that you want to build. And all you need to do is literally just go ahead and finish setting up your store, adding products, right? Setting up payment methods, reviewing your shipping, all of the different kind of things that you would typically do with an e-commerce platform, all ready to go right here with AI. And we have it listed over here under our websites. Of course, we can go and connect a domain and get one of those domains over here for our store. We'll see all of our domains right over here. We have the Horizons section over here. It's really all about AI building, and it's so cool. You could build a lot of different unique things here. Of course, you got emails, and another shout out to that incredible Black Friday deal, getting you inside of Hostinger for some significant discount, plus my additional 10% discount below this video. They got email marketing as well, right? We know how important email marketing is, incredible pricing for that, to integrate that into your website and your brand. Every time you press the send button with email marketing, you're going to make money. So it's a definite must-have. You can get a VPS, virtual private server over here when you want to take things to the next level. Manage all of your billing and take a look at the marketplace for all the different services and add-ons that could help grow your business. So it's super, super powerful, and I really want to stress, you don't need to be intimidated. There's really no technical skills required. You saw, it's super easy to use that website builder and get this pet, cat, and dog store up and running without even, doing anything technical at all. Just clicked a few buttons. So it's highly recommended and easy to use. So that was Hostinger. As you see, incredibly powerful, also super, super easy to use. Just at a massive discount right now for Black Friday, plus my additional 10% off when you use coupon code JustinSener10. You see it directly below this video. It's highly recommended. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. But take advantage of this deal, sign up for Hostinger, and I hope this helps you make a ton of money. I'll see you in my next video.